Imagine a modern, sunlit office at the end of a long day. The warm glow of the setting sun streams through large windows, casting long shadows across polished floors. One by one, the lights begin to click off, quick sequence. Sections of the open-plan space fall into twilight. A single desk, a laptop lifted away, papers gathered, a favorite mug carried off. The chair tucks in. The scene is quiet, sterile, and final. This is the image we picture when we hear about AI at work. It is powerful and unsettling. This picture of displacement feels inevitable, as if the servers took over overnight. Fear can be paralyzing. It keeps us reactive instead of strategic. To navigate this era, we need a concrete plan, not panic. By the end of this year, corporate tasks that used to take you 40 hours will take an AI tool 40 seconds. Here is how you become the one pulling the strings. You can either be replaced by computation or be the one who directs it. See AI as a collaborator, not a competitor. The choice starts with mastering the change so your desk stays occupied and your impact grows. The shift from 40 hours to 40 seconds sounds like an exaggeration, but it is quickly becoming real in many domains. Consider creating a market analysis report, days of work, sourcing data, cleaning spreadsheets, spotting trends, writing, and designing slides. Now, that timeline can be radically accelerated. With the right tools and a well-crafted prompt, you can generate a solid first draft in under a minute. This is the 40-hour to 40-second shift in action. It can be unsettling and raise a hard question. If a machine is this fast, what is my value? The truth is less dystopian. AI excels at well-defined, repetitive tasks. Those who leverage it will see productivity and influence soar. Those who do not will struggle to keep up. AI will not replace you. People using AI will replace people who do not. This is not new. Tools redefine roles. AI is the next evolution, a force multiplier. The 40-second report is the beginning of a new role. You move from data processor to strategic advisor. The myth: AI will replace every human job, leaving no room for us. That ignores current AI limits. LLMs are powerful at pattern recognition, retrieval, and content generation. They sift vast data, spot correlations, and replicate styles with speed and accuracy. They excel at predictable, routine work, sorting, searching, summarizing. But their very architecture sets boundaries. Machines lack genuine understanding, consciousness, and lived experience. Humans bring judgment, especially in ambiguity. We weigh ethics, read social cues, and balance competing priorities. A machine can analyze a sheet. It cannot inspire a team or broker a delicate compromise. We set strategic goals and build trust. Leadership is vision, motivation, and psychological safety, rooted in empathy and emotional intelligence. AI can draft a plan. It cannot mentor, nurture, or deepen relationships. Creativity, care, and context are human domains. AI is an instrument. You are the musician, bringing judgment, strategy, creativity, and the human touch. The modern skill set: 3 pillars of AI competence. Position yourself to direct AI without becoming a coder overnight. Pillar 1: prompting and editing, the art and science of communicating with large language models. Ask the right questions with clear, specific, context-rich instructions. Define the model's role, task, audience, tone, and required format. Vague in, vague out. A great prompt is a detailed creative brief. Never accept the first answer. Treat it as a draft. Review critically, fact-check, correct errors, and add your unique voice. Prompt plus rigorous editing elevates the work to a professional standard. Pillar 2: data sense and synthesis. Quickly grasp the story behind the numbers with AI as your analyst. Feed raw data or summaries. Ask for key trends, outliers, or a draft deck. Then apply your judgment. Verify, challenge, and distill to one clear message. Pillar 3: workflow automation. Reclaim time by automating routine emails, scheduling, and organization. Your blueprint for immediate action. 3 quick wins. You do not need a complex strategy. Start with small, immediate wins. Low-risk, high-reward actions that make you faster, more efficient, and more valuable. Step A. Use an LLM to handle initial email drafts. State who it is for, why you are writing, and the tone. For example, draft a short, polite email to my colleague, Jane Doe, asking for the final marketing report by Friday afternoon. Mention I need it for the Monday leadership meeting. Spend 30 seconds personalizing, verifying, then hit send. Reduce routine email time by over 90%. Step B. Paste a section or chart summary into the model. Ask, provide a 1-paragraph summary and 3 talking points for my meeting. Then be the editor. Confirm alignment and add your strategic take. Step C. Ask AI to find 2 open 60-minute blocks for deep work on the Q3 budget proposal. Confirm immediately. Protect the time and focus on high-impact work. Mastering quick wins is the start. Now become a leader and influencer. You save time for deep work. Block uninterrupted periods. Minimize distractions. Use AI for prep. Then invest meetings in relationships and strategy. Your value is not in showing numbers, it is in interpreting them and collaborating on action. Build daily micro-habits. Learn a feature, start with a prompt, finish with edits, and share a tip weekly. As results improve, peers ask for help. Teach what works, your influence grows. Protect your career by leading the charge. Follow Future Proofed for more protection ideas on how to protect yourself from AI scams and career automation.